Good morning and welcome to the latest episode of T-Hub Capital Podcast, the podcast focused on the topics of technological innovation, governance, new trends, and strategic thinking for private equity investments. We will share our strategic thoughts and introduce you to the innovative companies we invest in. Subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode. Enjoy listening.
T-Hub Capital is a Milan-based investment platform founded in 2022 by Massimo Penzo and Alberto Fabiani. With their extensive managerial and financial backgrounds, the founders established the company with a mission to invest in companies operating in made-in-Italy sectors, in which Italy boasts a leading global position and significant potential for further international growth. Typically, the target companies are excellent leaders with a strong propensity for exporting and products that meet high-quality standards. The company's investment approach involves conducting comprehensive research to identify viable opportunities that align with its investment criteria. By combining entrepreneurial skills with the financial and managerial expertise of T-Hub Capital, these companies can benefit from structured development and faster growth, even in the face of challenges such as entrepreneurial renewal or internationalization. Through its strategic investment approach, T-Hub Capital aims to promote economic growth, create job opportunities, and foster innovation. The company is committed to supporting entrepreneurs in achieving their goals by providing valuable guidance and assistance throughout the process. A key characteristic of T-Hub Capital's approach is its involvement of the management team of the acquired companies. This aspect represents a fundamental characteristic of T-Hub Capital approach, which pursues an alignment of interests with the managerial group of the portfolio companies and, while maintaining a role in strategic direction, allows adequate managerial autonomy. T-Hub Capital channels the capital of various institutional investors, family offices, and a carefully selected group of private investors, primarily associated with the entrepreneurial world, into the equity of established local small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs with solid transformative potential to become leaders in their domestic market, characterized by low levels of penetration, significant barriers to entry, and consolidation opportunities. In such sectors, which exhibit good visibility of potential future returns, companies' growth opportunities are measurable through increased economies of scale, productivity, and efficiency. With an extensive network of entrepreneurs, companies, and industry players, coupled with access to databases, participation in conferences, and proactive research, the company is adept at identifying the most promising investment opportunities. T-Hub Capital invests in target companies identified through club deals, a financing approach that involves multiple investors pooling their resources through a specific tool, typically a NewCo, to finance an operation and receive a proportionate share of the company's equity and profits generated in return. A distinct NewCo is required for each operation. The investment in the target company typically involves acquiring a majority stake, followed by the implementation of a targeted build-up strategy aimed at creating value for the acquired company and, for the investors. T-Hub Capital is actively seeking Italian companies operating in sustainable and innovative design, wellness and personal care and technology with all the most innovative applications, as with an EBITDA ranging from €2 to €10 million and offering high-value product and service lines. The company aims to expand its investment portfolio in these areas and foster the growth of innovative and thriving businesses. Additionally, T-Hub Capital places great emphasis on ESG factors, which are considered a distinguishing element that enables a positive impact not only on financial performance, but also on the environment and the community in which the company operates. T-Hub Capital goes beyond just investing in Italian and European medium-sized enterprises, and also provides them with strategic, operational, and management support to maximize their potential for growth, thereby increasing returns on investment for investors. The company has a robust and transparent governance structure, which guarantees responsible and professional management of investors' capital. After implementing the value creation process within the target company, an exit strategy is planned, typically not earlier than the 5th year from the date of acquisition. This can be accomplished through various methods, such as IPO. The team is composed of individuals with many years of experience in identifying companies with high growth potential, structuring extraordinary operations and asset management, as well as an in-depth knowledge of market dynamics. The team is led by the 2 founding partners. Massimo Penzo graduated in mechanical engineering from the Polytechnic University of Turin and obtained a 2nd degree in political science from the University of Turin. He has extensive experience in management consulting and turnaround, and as the majority shareholder, he founded and presides over Net Project, a consulting firm focused on corporate finance. Alberto Fabiani has extensive experience in the banking industry, starting in the research office of the San Paolo Bank of Turin and continuing in the equity asset allocation field. He played an important role in the growth of Interbanca S.p.A., mainly overseeing equity trading areas and the placement process of new companies in regulated markets. He was a partner in companies active in the advisory world with a focus on corporate finance. Hub Capital mission is to becoming a reference point for investors seeking alternative investment sources outside the liquid market and who wish to enter the Italian private equity market with a European vision, able to contribute to investment projects with additional European add-ons. At the same time, it aims to be a strategic partner for businesses, offering support in creating value through the implementation of the best internal and external business strategies. In this way, T-Hub Capital aims to create synergy between investors, entrepreneurs, and professionals, with the goal of building a virtuous ecosystem for the long-term creation of value for all stakeholders involved.
Thank you for listening to this episode of T-Hub Capital Podcast. I hope you found this content interesting and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode, and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested. To learn more about T-Hub Capital and our activities, visit our website, thubcapital.com. You can also follow us on our LinkedIn page. See you soon.